The Mongol horse is the native horse breed of Mongolia. The breed is purported to be largely unchanged since the time of Genghis Khan. Nomads living in the traditional Mongol fashion still hold more than 3 million animals, which outnumber the country's human population. In Mongolia, the horses live outdoors all year, dealing with temperatures from 30 degrees Celsius in summer down to -40 degrees Celsius in winter. And they graze and search for food on their own. The mare's milk is processed into the national beverage arag. Arag, or arag, is the traditional Mongolian fermented mare's milk alcoholic drink. Some animals are slaughtered for meat. Other than that, they serve as riding and transport animals. They are used both for the daily work of the nomads and in horse racing. Mongol horses were a key factor supporting the 13th century conquests of the Mongol Empire. Shandanjun Horse Farm, in China. The Shandan Horse Ranch is located in Kilayan Mountains Damayan pasture land. It is 55 kilometers away from the Shandan County, in Jiangxi Prefecture. Shandan Army Horse Farm is located in Shandan County under the jurisdiction of Jiangxi City. 130 kilometers away from Jiangxi City and 50 kilometers away from Shandan County. The Shandan Army Racecourse was established by Huo Dezi. It has a history of more than 2,100 years. It is the oldest horse farm in the world and the largest horse farm in the world. Many old movies have been filmed at the military horse farms, such as Wrangler and Wencheng Princess. The horse site is flat, the water is rich, the green grass is in summer, and the winter is golden. When is the best time to visit? The summer time of Shandan Military Racecourse is very short. So every July and August are the best time to travel to Shandan Military Horse Breeding Farm. Other seasons will be colder and you will not see the green grasslands and rapeseed flowers. The grazing horse ceremony is a highlight of the scenic spot. Every morning around 6 o'clock, herdsmen will rush hundreds of horses to graze on the grassland. So at this time, travelers can shoot and experience 10,000 horses gallop forward. And at this time, herdsmen will rush hundreds of horses to graze on the grassland. In addition, there is a reservoir about 2 kilometers away from the factory. In the evening, if there is nothing to do, you can take a walk along the lake, which is quite comfortable. It is an ideal place for horses to multiply and grow. As early as 3,000 years ago, horses have been raised here. Since the Western Han dynasty, based on the local Mongolian horses, it has also introduced a variety of Western horses. The Shandan horses that have been cultivated by the hybrids have become famous in the world. The ranch has a 2,000-year-old history and is the largest of its kind in Asia. More than 10,000 horses are herded here, and these are used by the Army of China. It is definitely a very unique and an interesting location to visit, and a great place to observe these magnificent creatures in their full glory. The Shandan Horse Ranch has lush grass, plenitude of water, and has earned itself the reputation as the largest horse ranch of its kind in Asia. The rare landscape of Zhangyi Dangxia, the colorful hills and the beautiful scenery is thrilling because of the glorious colors, magical feel and magnificent horses. This horse farm has introduced Turkestan horses, Mongolian horses and Shandan horse hybrids popular throughout the country since the well-known Western Han dynasty. This horse ranch has therefore been the base of the military and royal horses through several dynasties in the past. The Shandan horses are strong, well-shaped and very easy to feed. They excel in endurance, strength, speed and adaptability and are therefore ideal for pulling, riding and carrying loads. Shandan horses from this ranch have found a place for themselves in history as well as popular culture. The total number of these magnificent Shandan horses today exceeds 10,000. They can be found in various parks throughout Lanzhou, at the Xi'an Amusement Park as well as the Shanghai Forest Park where visitors can take pictures and ride on the horses. Shandan Horse Ranch has also been featured in several movies. During the 80s, a movie known as The Wrangler had been shot by the Shanghai Film Studio and allowed audiences throughout the country to enjoy the beautiful scenery and the horses of the ranch. Various foreign and domestic film studios have since then used this ranch for documentaries and movies. Over 30 films are so far shot at the ranch including Wang Zhaojun, Princess Wencheng, The Wrangler and Mongolian Flower. The Shandan Horse Ranch is extremely popular and a huge tourist attraction today. It is a breeding farm for the army and is 55 kilometers from Shandan, a historical town. It lies east along the 312 highway. The farm itself is located on the Damayan pastureland at a height of around 2,600 meters and is surrounded by the Yangtze Mountain. The Shandan Horse Ranch has a very fascinating, 2,000-year-old history. Various historical documents have mentioned the Shandan farm to be raising horses even during the Sui dynasty era in 581 AD. However, the region itself were already known for the sturdy horses and grasslands during the older Han dynasty. The Shandan Horse Ranch, in fact, is believed to be a relic of the legendary Silk Road. It had been here in Hexi Corridor when the first sturdy horses had been discovered by Zhang Qian in Wushan and Dayan, which were the homeland for the nomadic tribes. The horses had been interbred with Central China species, which led to improved and stronger horses for China's imperial armies. Shandan Horse Ranch is not just popular for its strong horses but is also an extremely beautiful place with rolling grasslands and surrounded by beautiful, magnificent mountains. How to get there? It is about more than 100 kilometers from Shandan to the horse farm. Tourists can take a bus to the horse farm, which runs on a daily basis, leaving at 10:30 and arriving around 13 or 14. The exact time for the bus should be confirmed at the state-owned long-distance bus station. Local accommodations are available on the horse farm.